Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at how you can use Sendr AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sendr.ai, and what is Sendr all about? Well, record once, personalize in seconds, stand out in the sales era. You could try it for free. Everything you need to personalize outreach at scale. Easily find contacts with the lead finder, create personalized pages at scale, clean up and enrich contacts in one click, build, set, and forget automations, and lip sync. You can try lip sync with Sendr as well. Be the one to raise the bar. You can be a tech trailblazer at your company by removing bottlenecks and boosting results with Sendr. You can try it for free. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So we have the growth plan, which is $97 a month. And with that, you get 2,500 credits, 500 lip sync videos, a lead finder, data scraper, dynamic videos, and a Chrome extension. And then from there, you go up to the pro plan, $249 a month. So whatever your needs are, those are your options, and you can try it for free. Your first 350 credits are on us at Sendr. So sign up to Sendr for free and earn 350 credits as you onboard. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out. We'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.